Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So starting off, you want to shut off the phone, hold the power key, and then select power off here and once more to confirm it. And wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, which will be indicated by the vibration, you can hold power key and volume up together. So power key, volume up, both at the same time. And once you see the Samsung logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can reboot back to the normal Android, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from SD and ADB, wipe data, which is basically a format of the device, cache wipe, system, view logs, and a couple other things as you can see. And you want to navigate using volume up and down, because touch doesn't really work here, and confirm whatever you select with the power key. So I'm gonna select reboot system now and then confirm it with the power key, as you can see. And now the device will boot back up into the normal Android. And we're back in the Android system. So that is basically how you access the recovery mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.